Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 4th of April 2023. We did a teapot, first move double twist, first move lunge and a basket comb hip spin. If you need teaching information for any of those moves, then there are links in the description below for the teaching clips for each of them. And this clip will show you how everything went together. So we did this. 5, 6, a T, pot. We went a back, underneath, and a walk. Walk, send the lady, and look, return, first move double twist. We came in, twist, and lunge, twist, 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 twist out, lunge again, up, twist, in, under and face, two hands for the basket comb hip spin. We went a wrap and a comb. Comb down to the hips, prep, spin, catch, return and back. And that was the whole routine. Hope you find that useful. If you are finding what we're doing useful, if you're getting value out of it, then do please like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel even, and if you pop the notification bell on, you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation is something nice to practice to on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.